Come on, ladies. Ooh, y'all slow today. Come on. And the mini mare following behind them. Oh, whoop, she stopped for a pit stop. Cody ran a clean election of head mayor of state. So that's the lighter of these mares coming. If they ever come. Ladies, leave the pigs alone. Come here. Come here. Come here. That's not where the treats are. Good morning, beautiful girl. Good morning. Did you like a treat? Good morning. Can I get a boop? Boop. Would you like one? Good girls. Good morning, babies. Oh, you're fussy. Boop. Boop. Good morning. Hi, Tweetums. Hi. Are you going to let Daisy get a treat? No? Do I have to throw it to Daisy? Make her work for it? You know I have another one in my pocket, but it's not for you. You are so fussy. Mares are just, you have to earn their affections a little different. Ooh, did I get a smooch, Boop? Thank you. Oh, the honor. I don't have anything else. Not for you. It's not your turn. You got some, your breakfast is hanging out. I don't have any more. We got a ration. Here, Daisy. Daisy, you get a treat too. Sweet dang, are you being nice? Was it a full moon? All right. That's about all you're going to let me do, huh? Have a beautiful day, Cody.